Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix any kind of issue you're having when you're using HDMI 2.1 4K on your Vizio or Samsung TV with the PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if you are having any kind of HDMI 2.1 issues on your TV, go to settings right here and select this, and then go on down to screen and video. Then under video output, you can check your video output information right here. And my current resolution is 4K at 60 Hertz, and you can see the top option. And then the color format is the second one, HDCP and HDR I can see on here as well. Now if I back out of this and then go to screen resolution, I just have mine currently set to automatic. Then if you go to 4K video transfer rate and you go to learn more, what is this? This says adjust the transfer rate for 4K resolution video. If you're experiencing flickering on the screen, try selecting -1 or -2 to limit output and possibly improve picture quality. So if you are having any kind of flickering issue or any kind of hopefully HDMI 2.1 issue, this will resolve that for you. So go to the video transfer rate here and go to -1. Try this out, play for a few minutes, go to your game, and then go to -2 and just see if one or the other is a little bit better. Then there has been some problems with HDR as well. There's a new option under this menu that says on when supported. So there has been some games that are like PlayStation 4 games, and they do not support HDR. So when you always have HDR on, there is like some sort of graphical issue between the standard dynamic range and the high dynamic range always being on, and it causes like colors and weird graphical issues on the screen. So just go to on when supported, and when you launch a game like that, HDR won't be applied over the game. Then make sure deep color output is turned on and set to automatic. Then for RGB range, you can just set this to automatic, but you can try limited or full. One of these might give you a little bit less washed out colors on your screen. Then let's back out here and go to the main settings menu and go to system and go to HDMI. If you are having any kind of flickering and going to the transfer rate and setting it to -1 or -2 doesn't work, disable HDMI link right here and just see if that fixes your issue as well. And this will be when you turn on your PlayStation 5, will turn on your TV as well. And when you turn off your PlayStation 5, this will turn off your TV as well. So that's kind of what that does. Could be called HDMI CEC or AnyNet Plus on your Samsung TV. Then you could try disabling HDCP, and this is pretty much copyright protection. You launch a streaming service like Netflix or something, this will stop you from actually launching that on your PlayStation. So you can turn this off or turn it on, just see if that fixes your problem as well. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSix Studios.